Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So the recipe we're going to be making today are these delicious, soft and quick pancakes. I'm sure you guys are going to love it. So let's head to the recipe. For this, we're going to take one egg in a bowl and we're going to whisk it really well until it starts making foams. You don't really need an electric beater for this purpose. Hand whisk can do the job. It just takes a little bit of effort. This one is not even gonna take that much time. So here you can see that after 2 minutes of whisking, I've got that texture. And into this, now I'm gonna add almost half a cup of sugar. You can adjust the quantity of the sugar if you like it more sugary, but I think this sweetness is just perfect for these pancakes. And then you're just gonna mix it really well together with the eggs. Do it really well because we don't really want these granules into the pancakes. Here you can see that the texture has turned creamy and you can see the color turned white. At this point we're gonna add oil. So I'm adding 6 tablespoons of oil into the eggs and sugar mix. And again, we're gonna mix the oil right into the sugar and the egg. Make sure to incorporate everything really well together because we want the ingredients to combine all together. We don't want any flavor popping up more than the other. So here I've combined everything really well together and we're gonna add all-purpose flour, 1 cup. I'm gonna sift it. Try to sift the flour, which you surely and definitely should because it avoids any kind of lumps that you might get into your baking or even the pancakes. So I'm mixing the flour into the mixture, the wet ingredients, and then try to scrape off all the flour from the sides and bring it into the middle. And if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I would like it if you guys hit that subscribe button. It would just encourage me to bring you more quick and easy recipes. So here I'm taking half cup of milk and I'm gonna add it gradually. Here I've added a little bit of it and then I'm just gonna mix it really well. After that, according to the requirement, I would add, but in total I added half a cup of milk. So I added a little bit of it. I made sure that it got combined into the ingredients really well. You can see the consistency of the batter here. Now I'm adding a little bit more. And again, we're gonna make sure that it incorporates really well. After it has combined into the ingredients, we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And we're gonna mix it really well. Now when you add baking powder into your mixtures, it changes the texture of the batter or your mixture. So after that you feel the need to add milk. So I kept a little bit of milk from the half cup I told you. So I'm adding it here in the end. It might seem like a lot of milk, like I added a lot of it, but it's really just half cup. So here I'm heating a pan. It's a non-stick pan. You're not gonna butter it or grease it. You're just gonna pour 2.5 or 2.5 tablespoons of mixture. You can use a spoon for that. And you're just gonna spread it evenly in a round shape. You can have these pancakes in your evening coffee or tea or in your breakfast. You're just gonna love this, and trust me, this is the perfect recipe you're gonna ever come across for these pancakes. So here, one thing that's important is that you can see these bubbles popping up in these pancakes. When the bubbles start popping, you are gonna flip it over. At this point, you are sure that you are able to flip it, otherwise it will break. Make sure to scrape it from all the sides so it comes off easily and you don't have to break it to get the perfect round shape. So here you can see we've got this really nice and golden color And for the flame, I've kept the flame medium to low. So they're gonna get cooked perfectly from the outside and inside, and you're just gonna really enjoy them, trust me. So here I've made some, and making them is really fun. Now I'm gonna try it, and this is how it looks from the other side. Now we're gonna make a few more because making them is really fun, and it's so satisfying to spread this velvety and creamy mixture into the pan. So here I'm gonna make a few more. And again, you're gonna flip it only when you see that the bubbles on the top have stopped popping up. And here you're just gonna flip them over, scraping them from the sides, making sure that they are in a position to be flipped. And your perfect pancakes are ready. Now here I sprinkled some powdered sugar on top of it, and then I'm just gonna spread or sprinkle some honey on top of it. You can enjoy it with fruits and honey. And again, I told you, it's really up to you. You can use a chocolate syrup, or you can make a chocolate sauce and enjoy the pancakes. Do try the recipe and let me know if you guys liked it, and do subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care.